If you teach WP online, you might notice that Academic Partnerships encourages you to upload a transcript for each video that you upload. Therefore, I want to show you how to go ahead and do that. First, make sure to caption your video because transcripts are automatically created as part of the caption creation process. Now, the instructions to create captions are given under Creating Captions in the IT Wiki, but really quickly, you mouse over a video you want to caption and click More. Click Accessibility, then Auto Caption, and then Send Caption Request. Give YuJa some time to generate the captions, at most an hour or so depending on how long your video is. Most videos will take less time than that. You might receive an email notification when that's done. When the captions have been generated, mouse over your video and click More. Then Accessibility, and you'll see something like this. In this example, I have a row corresponding to English captions in the .srt file format and transcripts in plain text and PDF format. You can download any of these by clicking its corresponding download button under Actions. You'll need to download one of these transcripts so you can upload it to Blackboard for your students. Plain text is a .txt file format, which means it'll open in Notepad or whatever software your computer associates with plain text. And of course, PDF typically opens in Adobe Acrobat. I'm going to download the PDF version. Notice that it downloaded locally to my Downloads folder. Let me open this for you so you can see what I'll be uploading to Blackboard. It's a no-frills transcript. Now let me go back to Blackboard. I'm going to click the word transcript and go back up and click Add Content. Remember that I downloaded the transcript locally, so I'll click Insert Local Files and select the transcript that I downloaded. Finally, I click Submit, and there it is for my students. They'll just click on the link themselves to download the transcript as a PDF file.